The traditional college algebra course was designed for students going on to study calculus. And in reality, only 20% or even less of our students go on to calculus. So by including an introductory statistics and a quantitative reasoning, we are now going to be teaching them mathematics that is relevant to their career and is more useful in their work as mathematical citizens.
Before my first college math course, I was interested in being a veterinarian. So math wasn't my biggest concern, but when I switched to engineering, it was everything. I envisioned math would be a huge part of my daily life.
The class definitely prepared me for real life as an adult. I learned things like how to calculate interest rates, how to calculate tax rates, and basically just how to set up finances for myself. I would definitely go see an advisor. That's what I did, and I told them how I kind of wanted my career to go and what my major was, and they pointed me towards the right class to take. I went to an advisor and asked him on which math class he thought I should be placed in, and he told me that I should go into quantitative reasoning.
My first math class, I actually failed my first 2 math classes because I get really flustered with math and it takes me a minute to understand, but once I understand, I kind of get it. But I don't really envision, I envision it for my future, but I can't really pick out how it's going to help my degree just because I don't know my career. But I know it's going to go along with anything I do. I kind of look forward to going to class now just because I'm doing so well, and with stats I feel like it kind of does go towards more of any degree. I don't even have to say any specific, but I don't know, just towards life in general. With stats I feel like I could apply it towards just anything in life, kind of if I'm at work, how many people are going to need this if we buy this amount, kind of stuff like that. Yeah, I was extremely nervous. Even just taking elementary math, I was concerned I would even pass that. But now that I've made it all the way to stats, my confidence is kind of boosted a lot, and I'm not as scared to take any more math classes. Yeah, it's still frightening a little bit, but I think I have more of a confidence that allows me to better myself in other math classes. At that point, I didn't really have a certain major picked out, and math going towards something, it was just kind of a requirement that I needed. I didn't really look at it as I need to do this and I need to actually figure out what I'm doing. It's just kind of I want to pass. And now looking back on it, it really does help to look at it as a different standpoint and understand that math goes into your everyday life, not just for school.
For more information on math pathways, visit journeytocollege.mo.gov.